Hi there, students. A hick, a countable noun. I think you could also use it as a modifier or an adjective as well. Let's see. A hick is an unsophisticated person because they come from the countryside. Yeah, they are coarse, they're gullible, they're a bit stupid. So if you call somebody a hick, you're being rude about them, you're being disapproving. Yeah, so a hick's a person from the country who people think is stupid and naive and doesn't have any experience. A yokel, a country bumpkin, yeah, a rustic, a peasant, yeah, a hillbilly, as the video I made the other day, and then a hick town, yeah, a provincial city out in the middle of nowhere. Very often they use this word hick to talk about provincial and unsophisticated. So his hick accent makes posh people look down their nose. I quite like this quote that New Yorkers have a horrid way of making people feel like hicks. You know, they make people feel unsophisticated and from the country. Yeah, so a peasant, a redneck, yeah, a country bumpkin, a provincial, a rural, yeah, somebody, a redneck, yeah, and notice if you call somebody a hick, be careful because you're being disapproving. Yeah, he's a hick, but he's obnoxious as well. But the fact that he's a hick doesn't mean he has to be obnoxious and unpleasant. Yeah, he's awkward in society. Yeah, he comes from the country areas. Yeah, so the people who live in this place are all hicks. Yeah, his hick ideas, yeah, his provincial ideas, his unsophisticated ideas. Okay, so a hick. This is a way of saying that somebody's, well, they're not very sophisticated. They're naive. They don't know what they're doing. Let's see. As to formality, I think I would give this a 4 in formality. Apparently they say that this word is American, but I think you could use it in British English without any problem. And then as to origin, well, hick itself is a diminutive or a nickname for Richard. The most common nickname for Richard is Dick, but I can understand how Hick might do it as well. So a Richard, well, I don't know why Richard's a person from the country, but that's how it goes. Yeah, so yeah, all the hicks have come into town from the countryside. Yeah, it's a country fair full of hicks. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A hick.